Hi everyone, welcome back to our Google Sign-in tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you um, how to insert some dependencies that we're going to need. So we're going to this website that you must already know, but if you don't, it's pub.dev, and we're gonna look for Google Sign-in. This first one, and it's 4.5.4. Let's click on install, copy this, go to publicspec.yml, pulse down here. We need also Google Firebase, Firebase off. Let's get this one. Let's copy this, let's paste down here, and in the latest versions of these dependencies we need the Firebase core. So let's insert Firebase core into our project, just around here too. And then we just need to click on pub-get. So if this message process finished with exit code 0 shows on your screen, it means that everything worked out. So for now, that's all we need. I'll see you in the next video.